Hello to part 6, I think, maybe part 7. It's part 7 in PHP for beginner. We'll learn today how to make an array and how we will do an array. There is 3 kinds of array in PHP. We'll go through it. There is also 2 ways to create an array. So let's start. So it's as a variable, so we need to give her a name. Let's name it an array. So this is a name for an array. So we put an equal and put square brackets. And don't forget the semicolon. And the value of this array element inside the array, you put it here, and you can put mix value inside the array, mix data type inside an array. So you don't need to put it all string or all numbers. So let's say you need Mike, and you separate the element between each element a comma. So put Mike, put 777. This is another element. Let's say Smith. So this is an array. So this is the first way how to make an array. The second way, let's call it, also you need to name it as a variable. Let's name it array2, let's say, and we will use the function array. Like if you write array and you put circle brackets, here you get a function, and this function create an array. As a parameter you put the value as a parameter, also separated with comma. So let's say exactly the same of this, so we don't confuse you. Let's copy this here. So this line, which is an array, it's exactly the same with this line. So you can create an array directly like this, or you can create an array like this by using a function array, and you put the values as parameters inside the function array. The one who uses JavaScript, I think he will prefer to do this, because this is how we do it in JavaScript, and actually more easier. You don't need to do a function. So, but whatever, you can use any one of this. Both of them work exactly the same. So now how we can access a value inside an array. An array, it's index space and it's 0 index space. So if you want to access an array, let's say echo, let's say first of all, you cannot print an array like this. So if you put echo the all array, let's say what we'll get, because echo it's expecting a string, so it will not work. But let's check what we'll get. We'll get an error. So an array to string conversion, we have an error. So we cannot access an array like this. I will show you how we can print an array in a readable way, but for now we want to access an index, and we access it like this. We put square brackets and we put inside the index of the element which we want to access. So this is 0 base index, so first element have index 0, and second one have index 1, and third one have index 2. So 0, 1, 2. So if I want to access 7, 7, I need index 1, right? Because this is index 0, this is index 1. So if I put index 1 in array, I should access the 7, 7, 7. And this is the 7, 7, 7. Let's go again. Let's put array 2. So let's see, there is difference between of this, or they are the same. So now I should also get 777 from array 2, which is different way to create an array. I still getting 777. So go back. Let's access index 0. So index 0 should be Mike, right? Let's save and go to browser, refresh, and we get Mike. So this is how we access an element inside an array. So in this video I will teach you now how to overwrite a value inside an array, which exactly how you override a variable. So if I want to, let's say index 1 equal, and here I want to overwrite this value, which index 1, which is 777, and I want to become 999. So now an array, this first array, index 1, which is 777, I want to overwrite it and make it 999. So here in this line we overwrite the index 1 from the array. So this is, it will overwrite this. So here it will print, should be print 999. Let's check this. If we refresh, and we get 999. So this is how we overwrite an element or a value inside an array. This is how we do it. So it's exactly how we overwrite a normal variable, but you need to access which one, and we access it by index. And this is the array, it's index array. As I told you before, there is 3 kinds of arrays in PHP. There is index array, and there is associative array, and there is multi-dimension array. Sorry for that. And we will go through all of them. Next video we will continue with array. So this one we don't need it anymore, because you can't choose any one of this two. So I will still working on this one, and next video I will show you how to add a new element to the array, how to know the links of the array, and how to add array to array, and how to print a whole array to the unreadable way in the DOM, and you can see it in the browser. So see you in next video.